At Autodesk, we make software for people who make things. From the buildings where we live and work, to the products that enrich our lives, to the movies that entertain us. At the Autodesk Gallery in San Francisco, we offer a space for exploration and learning, where you can see how our customers are using our software to imagine, design, and make a better world. There, you can experience for yourself the technology that is helping to shape the future of making. During your visit, you'll get to explore dozens of exhibits that showcase exciting innovations in design processes, as well as manufacturing and construction methods that enable people to design and make in ways previously unimaginable. From 3D printed buildings and structures, to skyscrapers designed to recycle rainwater and turn wind into energy, to video games that transport you to fantastical places that often feel real. Listen to our audio tour while you explore, or join one of our guided tours. And when you're ready to try it for yourself, the gallery offers a design and make studio, where students and educators can try out the latest design and making tools and experience what it's like to take an idea from design to fabrication. Visit the Autodesk Gallery to get inspired. We are located at 1 Market Street in downtown San Francisco, and admission is free on our public days. Check our website for more information about our hours, programs, and events like Design Night. We look forward to seeing you soon.